Hello everyone, today I will show you how to sit in your split and what you need for that. Stay with me and we will get started. First, let's switch the stretching to do. We will get started in this position and starting to pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take back leg and keep the balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From that position, slowly take on this side and starting to pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we'll go working from one block and try sit. So then we will try to take more blocks like that, and then try to take 3 blocks and try take 4 blocks. So I will try to change from this position and starting working with the back leg. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay in this position. Okay, take 2 legs together. Take a breeze. So we breathe out and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe it, and text me. So bye bye.